The electrical box filter assembly will help protect the electrical components in your Mobius trimmer M108. The assembly is comprised of two components. The metal piece is the filter holder. The white strip is the actual filter material or filter mesh. Start by tucking the filter mesh strip into the filter holder. Work your way around the edges until the filter mesh is seated flat against the grate of the filter holder. The left side of the filter holder and filter mesh should be flush, while the right side will have a small strip sticking out. There are no tools required. Simply push the filter assembly up into the electrical box air intake, located just below the power plug. The filter assembly should snap into place. Tuck the loose end of filter mesh into the corner above the bolts on the right. In this view, you can see what it looks like from the inside. The life of the filter depends on machine usage and environment. Check it often and replace when needed.